folks. Welcome to Money Me. I am Pat Dees. I'm going to recap the week here. It's Friday around noontime. The S&P we're currently right now is up 3.3 points. No, 32 points. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the ETF. The Dow is up 184 and the NASDAQ is up 138. So I'm going to recap. As you guys know, I made a video the other day talking about Beyond Meat. And let's pull that chart up here. And I am using WEBULL desktop app here. If you guys are interested in what I'm learning or using as far as the charting and stuff like that. And we bought those for $1.39, sold them for $11, almost at the high of the day. I was watching it because it was between 9 and 10 and 10 and stuff like that, but I got out at 11. I think the high that day for it was 11.18, and I did very well on that. I wound up getting 692% return on that position, which helped because I had a call on POSHMARK, which I lost about $140, and I had a call on FUBU. I lost a small position. I mean, I lost about, so those two I lost 300, but I made more than I made over $1,000 back in that. So you know, you don't mind sometimes you lose 100 or 200 in a couple small ones if you're making 1,000 in another one. So Beyond Meat, as you can see today, it's up 84.45. We're getting a little bit of a bounce back, but you know what's going to happen is people, in my opinion, and excuse my language, to get suckered in, and they didn't do good. And the bottom of this candle basically is 93, 94. We got 84. So we'll probably get up. We'll probably get a couple days up. We're not gonna. I don't see us filling that gap that quick. You know, there are people that were short the stock that are covering now, and some people thought it would go lower. But really, my next target was in the 69 area as far as downside. So I could see us maybe going up, but a little bit more. But I could see us going right back. So we're going up in here. I could see us going right back down. So there'll be opportunities. Honestly, if it gets up to be around 88, I'm gonna probably buy some December puts, and for around 80 again. And again, the positions that I'm trying to get in right now to stay conservative is under $300 a contract, so under $3, and I'm looking to typically make 50 to 100% on the position. 692% was a great. But that doesn't happen all the time. I don't want to fool you. And full disclosure, I am not a licensed broker, and basically this is entertainment purposes. So don't take what I'm telling you as legal sound, advice. I'm basically, this channel Money Me is I talk about stocks, options. I'm going to talk about real estate in the future. I have had people ask me about Bitcoin. I've invested a little bit into Bitcoin. When I say little, under $100 years ago, sold it, made money a little bit, not a lot. Never got back into it. So, all right. So Beyond Me. Right now, I am currently out of that position. Let's touch on POSHMARK. Because, as you know, I made a video that we were buying, and we did. We bought in, as you know, 1742, and I said if it gets to 1950, 1975, we would sell the shares. We still have another account that we have several hundred shares, but this one account that we traded this week, we got in at 1742, we got out at 1855. Again, this is another situation where I think it's sort of like Beyond Meat. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a bounce, but December there is going to be some tax loss selling. The stock had 104.98, 52-week high, and a lot of people really, even across the board here, there's been a lot of buying in around the $45, $50 range, and so you're going to have people that are going to get out for tax losses, and then may get back in January and February and try it again. But if it drops back down to 1750, I'll get back in it again. I'm looking to trade the range between 17 and 20. And really, we need to see anything break above 24, and that's going to take some time to get there. So that was a great trade this week too. even on the 200 shares position, 1750 to 10, you know, roughly about 15-17%, rough math doing it in my head. So that we still have another account that we're holding, POSHMARK, because our buy-in is close to $31. So we're not going to sell that. Stock is more, that account is more of a buy and a hold. We don't do much trading in that. So we did take a position today in CHWY, and that is up 74.50. I think we got in at 71 and change. Let's look at the daily chart. We got, yeah, about 71 and a quarter. I see this going up near term, near $80. I think if I'm correct, the earnings are due December 7th, so we still have time. And one thing I'm learning is, yeah, if you get a blowout quarter, the stock can run. But if you're making, honestly, 20-30% before the quarter, maybe it's best to lighten position or sell it completely. Yeah, you might miss another 10 or 20% upside, but at the same time, and I had this happen to me this past week with FUBU, I was up about 35%. This for some reason they didn't like what they heard, and it gave it all right back. So I'm pretty much break even on that. I still own it. I'm not selling FUBU. I really think it's a good stock. Another company that I got involved with this week was FCX, and that was Freeport McMoRan. That was actually up $3 and some change yesterday, so we actually sold that. We got in and made 3 points in like 2 days, and I was like, hey, that's a quick 10-11% move. They are like a copper mining company. Let's look at the profile so I can give you an accurate. Yeah, it's a mining company. So with reserves of gold, copper. So there's a lot of things that they're doing with the government passing the infrastructure bill, and that's why that has. I still like it, but I'm just looking to trade right now and do some. I mean, it's had a nice run since September. Oh yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, it was down. Wow, I didn't even know it was that low. It was, yeah, it was at 14, 15 back in August and September. Yeah, yeah. So really, to and then it topped out at 46. Oh, wait a minute. That's from, okay, wait a minute. 15 is from last year. Excuse me, 2020. I went too far out on the chart here. All right, so yeah, basically it's been in this range of around 30 to 40 over the past 6 months. And as you can see, it's breaking out here. I mean, yeah, near-term target could be, let's see, 44 and stuff like that. But if we get a down day, you know, a little bit in here, again back to 39, I'm just gonna hop right back into it. So I like the stock. It had great earnings, and with infrastructure bill coming up and it's passed, and that I still could see this, but it'll be something. And I'm just a little leery of the market right now, of having timing. You know, we always say the Santa Claus rally and tax loss selling and maybe some capital gain selling come January and stuff like that, because if you hold stocks more than a year, you pay a lot less capital gains. So hey, I hope you like this channel. I am gonna try to put out at least 3 videos a week, and if you guys could comment below, share this out, help me grow the Money Me. And we are going to do something special next year. We're going to give out we're gonna maybe do it a couple times. We grow this channel. We're gonna give. We'll be like WEBULL. If you guys haven't signed up for WEBULL, they give free stock a lot of times. I'll put the link below in the chat. You guys check it out as a referral. Click on my referral link. I think I get a free share, and you guys can get like 2 or 3 shares. But I'm gonna do something like that too. I want to do that. You know, hey. I can grow the channel and get people to watch and get people interested in the regular guy just talking about stocks and investing and all things money. That I want to give back. I want to do things to you know. I was thinking we'll give maybe our first time we'll give a share of Apple out, and we'll do different things like that. So I appreciate it. Again, Money Me. My name is Pat Dees, and appreciate the support. Bye.